Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for Geera alligator. Yes, you heard right, you guys are going to really love this one. It's tasting amazing. So guys, so to make this I already have my pieces of alligator meat washed and cut up into small pieces, and this is about 1 pound of meat in here. And to this we're going to go in with some salt to taste. Go light on the salt, you can always adjust the salt after. I'm going in with some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. This really adds a lot of flavor when you're cooking. I'm going in with some black pepper, and we're going to add in some aromatics. I have some chopped scallions, or sife as we call it in Trinidad, 1 pimento pepper chopped, and some chopped onions. Now I'm going in with some freshly minced garlic and some green seasoning. Now you want to give that a mix. And I'm showing you guys how to Geera it the way that my mother-in-law does it. You don't season your meat with any Geera. You add the Geera when it's almost done. And when I tell you that it makes a difference with how it tastes, it's absolutely amazing, and it's the only way that I would make anything that's Geera. Now if you wanted to make this spicy, you would add some habanero or some scotch bonnet peppers, but today I'm leaving out the heat. So I'm gonna let this marinate for about 20 minutes, then we'll move on with the recipe. To a heavy bottom pan on a medium heat, I'm going to go in with some oil. So to my pan, I'm going to go in with some cumin seeds, or Geera seeds as we call it, and a few methi seeds. And we're going to allow that to get light brown in color. Don't let it burn. If it burns, it's going to taste pretty bad. So guys, the seeds have a nice dark brown color, and what we're going to do now is add in our alligator meat. So once you put in the alligator meat, you just want to turn it. If it's sticking to the bottom of your pan, then leave it, don't touch it, it will release on its own. Now what we're going to do is allow this to cook down in its juices. It's not going to take very long to cook because it has that consistency of fish with a taste of chicken. So this is going to cook up pretty quickly, and you don't want to overcook it because it can get tough. So we're going to cook it on a medium heat and let it take its time, and those juices are going to coat the pieces of alligator, and then we'll finish it with our Geera powder. So now that the sauce is starting to thicken, I'm going to go in with my Geera powder. And mix that in. It smells absolutely amazing, guys. You would never know that it's alligator you're cooking. It does not have any type of gamey scent. It smells so good. And I just tasted the sauce, and it has enough salt, so make sure and taste and adjust your salt accordingly. I'm going to allow this to dry down a little bit more, and then this would be ready. So guys, here you have it, the finished Geera alligator. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you've never had alligator before, trust me, keep an open mind, you are going to love it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!